Welcome back to Faithful Harvest Farms. I have a farm update. We have our first livestock animal, chickens. A lot of people say that chickens are the gateway animal to owning a bunch of different livestock, so we are just incredibly excited to be starting our farm. Right now we're feeding feed from a feed store, but I am very into regenerative agriculture and have a goal of making this farm as self-sufficient as possible. So you'll see that I started feeding them some wild plantains that are growing here naturally. I'm going to start doing some research on how my chickens can feed themselves, so like, comment, and subscribe to follow me on my regenerative agriculture journey.